Okay, in the kingdom of fools, it is believed that fools are always so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them. Who are the fools in this story? What happens to them? तो एठी fools, fool माने कौन? बोका, stupid. Okay. So why they are so dangerous? Why fools are so dangerous? We can learn here. And very wise people can only manage them. In the kingdom of fools, both the king and the minister were idiots. Okay, there was a kingdom, and the king and the minister in that particular kingdom were fools. Okay, the king was a fool, the minister was a fool also. Okay, so they didn't want to run things like other kings, so they decided to change night into day and day into night. तो से कौन कहले दे डिड नॉट वांट टू रन थिंग्स लाइक अदर किंग्स अन्य राजा मैंने जमी राज्य चलाऊले तो सेमती से चलिया चाहिए से मैंने कौन कहले दे डिसाइडेड टू चेंज द नाइट इंटू डे एंड डे इंटू नाइट ओके माने दिन जोटा है हम राति रातिटा हम दिन माने दिन बेले जहाँ सब कम हवा कथा से सब करेंगे केतबेले राति आ राति जहाँ सब करवा कथा सब दिन में करेंगे ओके सो एवरीथिंग विल बी reversed. Okay, whatever the people did in the daytime they have to do in the night time those works. Okay, and people have to sleep in the daytime instead of night. Okay, because we take rest in the night, but in the kingdom of fools the king ordered to sleep in the daytime and work everything in the night. Okay, they ordered that everyone should be awake at night till their fields and run their businesses only after dark and go to bed as soon as the sun came up. When the sun rises, everyone has to go to sleep, and when the sun sets, everyone has to start working. Anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. तो जे भी rules आउ regulations को जे मानिवनी, one who disobeys these rules will be punished to death. माने जे एवरा मानिवनी ताकू punishment दे जो कोथरे death punishment सीधा एकाथरे मृत्युवरण. The people did as they were told for fear of death. तो जेहेतु मृत्युर भय थिला, there was fear of death, people has to obey. People have to obey the rules set by the kingdom. The king and the minister were delighted at the success of their project. One day, a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. It was a beautiful city. It was broad daylight, but there was no one about. So one day, a guru and his disciple means sishya, student. A guru and his student, a disciple, came to the kingdom in the daytime. You know that according to the rules, everyone has to sleep in the daytime. So there was no one at the site. It was a very beautiful city. Everyone was asleep, not a mouse stirring. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day. The two strangers were amazed by what they saw around them and wandered around town till evening, when suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. So when the night came or when the sun sets, everyone woke up and went to their respective works. The two men were hungry. Two men means the guru and his disciple were so hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. So they wanted to have some food. So they went to the shop. To their astonishment, they found that everything cost the same, a single dudu. Like we use rupee, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees. Like that, they used dudu. So whatever you buy, you have to pay 1 dudu, a single dudu only. Whatever, everything cost the same. Whether they bought a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas, it cost a dudu. तो तमें जहाँ भी किण एवरीथिंग whether it is a costly or a cheap one, गोटे सस्ता जिनस हो कि गोटे कॉस्टली जिनस हो सबकि सामान प्राइस से मिलूला. तुम गोटे जब टीवी किण 1 रुपी 1 डुडू, जब गोटे कदली भी किण 1 डुडू. ओके, it cost a dudu. The guru and his disciple were delighted. Why? Because it was so cheap for them to arrange some food. in just 1 rupee or 1 dudu. The Guru and disciple were very delighted. They had never heard of anything like this. They could buy all the food they wanted for a rupee. So for a rupee, they bought everything they wanted. Next, and when they had cooked and eaten, the Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools and it would not be a good idea for them to stay there. So Guru was a very far-sighting person. Far-sighting person ମାନେ ଯେ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତକୁ ଆଖିରେ ରଖିପାରୁଥିଲେ ମାନେ ଦେଖିପାରୁଥିଲେ ଅନୁମାନ କରିପାରୁଥିଲେ. According to the present situation, the Guru could imagine or Guru could assume whatever what will happen or what may happen in the future. ओके ତାଙ୍କ ଦୂରଦୃଷ୍ଟି ଥିଲା ସେ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ କଥା ମାନେ ବୁଝିପାରୁଥିଲେ ଯେ ଆଗକୁ କ'ଣ ହେଇପାରେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ସିଚୁଏସନକୁ ଦେଖିକି ସେ ଏଇଟା ଗେସ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ଆଜ୍ୟୁମ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ. ତ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏମିତି it was a kingdom of fools, so he understood that this is a kingdom of fools and it is not safe to stay here. There is no place for us, let's go. This is no place for us. The Guru commanded his Shishya or disciple to leave the place at once. He said to his disciple, but the disciple did not want to leave the place. Why? Because the disciple was so much greedy, was a greedy person, so he did not want to leave the place because everything was cheap. All he wanted was good, cheap food. Okay, the Guru said, they are all fools. This won't last very long, and you can't tell what they will do to the city next or what will happen in the city next. No one can say. Okay, it is unpredictable. The king and the minister are unpredictable. They can announce anything at any time because this is a kingdom of fools, so it is not safe to stay here. But the disciple would not listen to the Guru's wisdom. He wanted to stay. The Guru finally gave up and said, do what you want, I am going, and left. So the Guru left the kingdom. The disciple stayed on, ସେଠି ଶିଷ୍ୟ ରହିଲା, ate his fill every day, bananas, ghee, rice, wheat, and grew fat like a street side sacred bull. ଗୋଟେ ବୁଲା ଷଣ୍ଢ ଭଳିଆ, like a sacred bull. The ଶିଷ୍ୟ or the disciple grew fatter and fatter day by day, having so cheap food, and very delightfully the disciple grew fatter and stayed there happily. One bright day, a thief broke into a rich merchant's house. Rich merchant. Merchant means businessman. ଗୋଟେ ଧନୀ ବିଜନେସମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଥିଲା. ସେ ବିଜନେସମ୍ୟାନ୍ର ଘରକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଚୋର ପଶିଲା. ଓକେ ଦିନ ବେଳେ. Why in the daytime? Because everyone was sleeping in the daytime. So it is better to steal in the bright light. Okay, he had made a hole in the wall and sneaked. Merchant means businessman, bepari, tradesman, jahabi. Okay, so he had made a hole in the wall. The thief had made a hole in the wall and sneaked in. And as he was carrying out his loot, जो लूट पाट करेगी से घरू गोटे रिच मर्चांट घर को पशिला चोर से चोर से कांथरे कणा करिकी सब चोरी डकायत करके आनी जिनस सब धरिक आसला बाहर को कमिंग आउट क्यारिंग आउट हिज लूट. द वाल ऑफ द ओल्ड हाउस कोलाप्स्ड. भांगीगला से वालटा on his head पड़ीगला ता मुंडरे and killed him on the spot. सेठी से thiefटा मरीगला चोरटा मरीगला. His brother ran to the king and complained. The brother complained. The brother means the thief's brother complained to the king that your highness, when my brother was pursuing his ancient trade माने business ता जो काम करथला, my brother was doing his business, a wall fell on him and killed him. गोटे कांथ तापर पड़ीगला से मरीगला. This merchant is to blame. तेणु मु blame क्या करुच्ची? All the guilt goes to the merchant. से merchant में सब भूल कहीं because his wall fell on my brother and that killed my brother too. Okay, ये merchant रो कांथ तापर पड़ला मो भाई ऊपर आ से मरीगला. तो सब किछि भूल होज कहार से merchant रो भूल सब. He should have built a good strong wall. से टिके strong wall तैयारी करियार थिला. Okay, you must punish the wrongdoer and compensate the family for this injustice. So as this is complete injustice for my brother, द किंग शुड कनसीडर द मैटर एंड पनिश द रंग डुअर जे भूल कर पनिशमेंट होगा दरकार द रंग डुअर शुड बी पनिश्ड एंड द किंग शुड आल्सो कंपेनसेट द डिकीज्ड फैमिली माने जी मरीची भाई मरीची तो भाईर फैमिली को कंपेनसेशन मिलो कंपेनसेशन माने क्षतिपूरण मिलो केमती एक्सीडेंट हो गला कि मरीगले कि सोल्जर गोटे मरी जाऊँगी ता फैमिली को गवर्नमेंट पैसा दूची कि नहीं तो से भाव में जेहेतु मो भाई मरी जाइए मर्चांटर कांथ पड़ी तेणु मो भाईर फैमिली को पैसा दिया कंपेनसेशन मिला दरकार आउ जे भूल कर पनिशमेंट मिलवा दरकार भूल कहार भूल हूँ से मर्चांटर किए कौच भूल हूँ से मर्चांटर बोली रिच मर्चांटर बोली किए कौच से थीफ्र भाई कौच ओके नेक्स्ट द किंग सेड जस्टिस विल बी डन डोंट वरी एंड एट वन्स समन द ओनर ऑफ द हाउस सो किंग कहले ठीक अच्छे जस्टिस विल बी डन न्याय तो निश्चित हम सो ही समन द ओनर ऑफ द हाउस तेणु से हाउस ओनर को डकेले सी रिच मर्चेंट को डकेले किंग व्हेन द मर्चेंट अराइव्ड द किंग क्वेश्चनड हिम व्हाट्स योर नेम द किंग आस्क्ड द रिच मर्चेंट सच एंड सच योर हाइनेस महाराज मो ना हो या Were you at home when the dead man burgled your house? तापरे राजा पचारे अच्छा were you at home तुम घरे थिलो कि when the dead man burgled your house ये जो dead man जो लोकटा मर जाइए the burgled when he burgled were you at home तुम घरे थिलो तो जतले से मरला जतले तुम घर को से चोरी करके आसथिला से तुम घरे थिलो the king asked yes my lord आज्ञा मु थिली he broke in and the wall was weak से मो घर को पसथिला आउ wall टा weak थिला it fell on him आउ से कांतरा तापर पड़ीगला द अक्यूज्ड प्लीड्स गिल्टी तब राजा कहले द अक्यूज्ड प्लीड्स गिल्टी माने दोषी दोष स्वीकार करुछि दोषी माने ये मर्चेंट को से कहउछन राजा जे दोषी ता दोष स्वीकार करुछि जे एटा वीक वाल थिला योर वाल किल्ड दिस मैन्स ब्रदर तम वाल ये लोकर भाई को मारिछि ए कांथ पड़ी तो भाई ता भाई मरिछि यू हैव मर्डर्ड ए मैन तनु सेही कांथ तो पनिशमेंट पाइबनी because you are the owner of the house you should be punished because you have murdered a man तमे मर्डर करछ गोटे लोक so you should be punished we have to punish you आमे तुमको punishment दो lord said the helpless merchant the merchant is now helpless because the king has said and no one will deny the king okay so being helpless the merchant said I didn't put up the wall mo ei कांथ तैयार कर नथली I didn't put up the wall it's already or it's really the fault of the man who built the wall तो ये कांथ जे तैयारी कर तार प्रकृतर भूल he had built the wall and it was so weak he didn't build it right से properly ये कांथ को तैयारी करनी so you should punish him so you should punish the builder of the wall तेणु कांथर जे तैयारी करछे कांथ को बिल्ड से कांथटा तैयारी करछे जे से ही पनिशमेंट बा दरकार you should punish the person who had really built the wall okay who is that किए से लोक जे कांथ तैयारी करछि my lord this wall was built in my father's time तापरे से लोकडी कहछि मर्चेंट this wall was built in my father's time मो बापा जतले बंचथिले सेते बेले कांथ तैयारी हितला I know the man मु से लोक को जानि he is an old man now से वर्तमान बुढ़ा हे सरलानी he is now old man he lives nearby here nearby the king's palace the man lives the king sent out messengers to bring in the bricklayer who had built the wall तेणु जे कांथ को तैयारी करथिला राजा मेसेंजर को पठेकी दूत को पठेकी ताको डके पठेले go and bring the builder of the wall they brought him tied hand and foot ता पाद हाथ सब बांधि पकेले you there did you build this man's wall in his father's time ता बापा जतले बंचथिले in his father's time did you build this house build this wall ए कांथ तुम तैयार करथिलो the poor माने बिचारा the poor mason or the builder said yes my lord I did what kind of a wall is this that you built तमे को प्रकार wall तैयार करथिलो what kind of a wall did you build it has fallen on a poor man and killed him So because you built a very weak wall that fell on the man's brother while pursuing his trade and killed him, you should have or you have murdered him. तमें ही ताको मर्डर कर, यू आर द किलर, वी हैव टू पनिश यू बाय डेथ, तेणु तते आम कौन करूँ डेथ पनिशमेंट दू, फांसी दे दिया तोते, मृत्युदंड दिया। बिफोर द किंग कुड ऑर्डर द एग्जीक्यूशन, एग्जीक्यूशन माने फांसी दंड, तो बिफोर द किंग कुड ऑर्डर द एग्जीक्यूशन, ऑर्डर देवा पूर्व एग्जीक्यूशन फांसी दंडर ऑर्डर देवा पूर्व द पुअर ब्रिकलेयर्स प्लीडेड, द पुअर ब्रिकलेयर प्लीडेड, प्लीडेड माने प्रार्थना करवा, प्रेड, ओके, प्रार्थना कला बा रिक्वेस्ट कला, रिक्वेस्टेड और प्लीडेड, प्लीज लिसन टू मी बिफोर यू गिव योर ऑर्डर्स, आपण ऑर्डर दा पूर्व टिके मो कथा सुनतु, प्लीज लिसन टू मी, इट्स ट्रू आई बिल्ट दिस वॉल एंड इट वाज नो गुड, आई admit my mistake that I have built a weak wall, okay, I admit it, okay, but that was because my mind was not on it, ठीक अच्छे, मु ए वाल तैयारी करनी किंतु कहीं तैयारी करनी, बिकॉज माय माइंड वाज नॉट ऑन इट, मोर माइंड एटी नथिला, मु अन्यमनस्क थिला, आई वाज अनमाइंडफुल व्हेन आई वाज बिल्डिंग द वॉल। आई रिमेंबर वेरी वेल ए डांसिंग गर्ल who was going up and down that street all day with her anklets jingling, and I could keep my eyes or my mind on the wall I was building. So I remember very well a dancing girl who was going up and down that street all day, okay, with her anklets jingling, ता पाउँ झुणझुण शब्द करिकी गोटे झीटे जाऊला एपटे देकी दिन सारा खाली एपट सेपट होता, and I could not keep my eyes on my mind on the wall I was building, तेणु मुझे कांथ तैयारी करूली से मो माइंड ठीक से कंसंट्रेट कर पार नथला, ओके, माय फोकस वाज नॉट ऑन द बिल्डिंग ऑफ द वॉल। यू मस्ट गेट दैट डांसिंग गर्ल, आई नो वेयर सी लिव्स, तो आपण से डांसिंग गर्ल को धरिया दरकार, यू मस्ट गेट दैट डांसिंग गर्ल, आई नो वेयर सी लिव्स, मुझे जानी से कोड रोज, सो यू मस्ट punish her not me। you are right, the case depends माने केस टा हरी बड़ी चली, ओके, you are right, तुम ठीक कहिछ, we must look into it, आमे एथरे नजर रखिबू बा भाबिबू, टिके भाबा दरकार। it is not easy to judge such complicated cases, एबळे गोटे complicated case को जज करबा एते सहज कथा न, it is not so easy to judge such an complicated case, let's get that dancer wherever she is, ते जोट था ना कहीं ताकू नहीं कि ठीक आस दैट डांसिंग गर्ल, ओके, द डांसिंग गर्ल नाउ एन ओल्ड वुमन केम ट्रेम्बलिंग टू द कोर्ट, तापर से जतले सी ओल्ड वुमन रो खबर नहीं कि से ताको डाकेले, द डांसिंग गर्ल वाज नॉट ए गर्ल एनीमोर, इट वाज एन ओल्ड वुमन, ओके, सी केम ट्रेम्बलिंग टू द कोर्ट, थरी की बुढ़ी जाइची, तो थरी की कोर्ट को आसला, सी केम ट्रेम्बलिंग इनटू द कोर्ट, ओके, okay, did you walk up and down that street many years ago while this poor man was building a wall, did you see him, तापर से बुढ़ी को पचारले, अच्छा, did you walk up and down that street many years ago, बहुत वर्ष पूर्व रे वॉल तैयारी होतला, did you walk up and down that many years ago while this poor man was building the wall, did you see him, yes my lord, the girl said, sorry, the old woman said. Now the dancing girl has turned into an old woman, so she said, yes my lord, I remember it very well, I was going up and down that street that day when the man was building the wall, so did you walk up and down with your anklets jingling, you are young and you distracted him, so he built a bad wall, so this is your mistake, that you was going up and down dancing with jingling, with your anklets jingling, and that jingling sound distracted the bricklayer or the person who was building the wall, that's why the wall was weak, okay, it has fallen on a poor burglar and killed him, आउ से कांथ जोटा weak थिला, that weak wall killed a burglar, you have killed an innocent man, तमे गोटे इनोसेंट मैन को गोटे निरीह लोक को मारिच यू विल हैव टू बी पनिश्ड तेणु आम तुमको ही पनिशमेंट देवु ओके यू शुड बी पनिश्ड टू डेथ ओके